What's up guys, how you guys doing? I'm gonna interrupt today's video from our sponsor, GGJIA. GGJIA makes high-grade industrial LED lights. You guys have probably seen them in my past videos when we updated the sheds and the new garage at the house with the laundry room as well. But they sent me two more style of their UFO lights is what we're calling. They kind of look like a sunflower, but these are water resistant, dust resistant, and UV resistant. Perfect for outdoor or indoor use. And I'm gonna show you guys how to hook these up. If you guys are interested, there's links in the description to get yourself some of these GGJIA lights. So just to give you guys a reference, the super bright high bay light, 100 watt. This is how the packaging comes. Very nice. They sent me two of these, so we're gonna do this right now. All right, so I have our wiring already done from before. We have these U-clamp, which we're gonna be hooking them to. These lights do as well come with this metal string and a hook so you can wrap around for safety, which is very nice. But we got two of these. We have one over here we're gonna be doing and one over here. So let me mount these up and show you guys how it looks. So we got our first light installed, second light installed. So for reference of installation, we got the U-clamp, we got the hook on, the safety nut set so it doesn't go out. We got our safety rope wrapped around too, hooked to the U, and this is it. It looks very nice. So now we're gonna wait till it gets dark to show you guys a brightness test. Now it's getting pretty dark. Time to test these lights out. So here's the GGJIA lights. This is how it looks now with the outside. Very nice and bright, very subtle lighting as well. Looks very good. I want to give a huge shout out to GGJIA. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video.